I'm on my channel, so if I'm still going to young, I can't hear this stuff enough for young. To the way you got Messiah. New school rappers are high for a young man, so you need to go out of that. Now we come down, one of the things so big, but I for what's up. Like I'm going to go back to the other town to carry some hoops, finish the move up, and they got that. But yeah, the dance is not a shot like 4 pens. I think I come right back there. So we have got more. What I'm saying, yeah, that's you. Throw the top. The guy that's put the price on the block. What's the 5,000? Go on, I'm 3,000, 6,000. And I got that. Easy. But we're not going to go back in a second. Because